1.250.
Cell number 3, ne? Is my high value. You mark it with the high. Which one is my low value? 1,185. Now I have 1, 2, 3 of them, ne? You can choose which one. Anyone. Let's choose this one. That's my low value. Right? So now I'm going to say high is 1.250 minus 1.185. This means that my difference is 0.065, which means it is 65 basis points. How did I get to 65 basis points? Remember, I showed you this. I showed you this. Right? Right, something like that, right? Now the one reading here is 1.185. The other reading is 1.250. The difference between these two is the amount of basis points, ne? This is how we got to 65. You remember we did this calculation?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is how we got to the difference. Right? So basically, like the one in the beginning I showed you now, how to work out the basis points. So now, this is saying, if the difference or the point difference is more than 50 basis points, there is one or my pen doesn't want to write anymore. One or more bad or damaged cells. Okay, if the basis point difference is more than 50 basis points, there is one or more bad or damaged cells. Please take note, I did not say dead cells.
Damaged.
I said bad or damaged. If it's dead, we will come on Saturday and have a funeral. Okay? All right. So in this case now, why did I say one or more? Because you can see here, 185, 185, 185. There is more than one that is below that value. So there can be one or more. Okay?
So that's damaged cells.
Yes, but we can still try and repair them. That's why we don't say yet that it's not serviceable.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to take a picture, you can take one now.
Photo.
Yes?
I see the 1.205.
Yeah?
I'm confused with number 2. The 5.5
It's video. I'll send you before trade.
given number.
Even, you must know it. Everything on the right-hand side of the board, you must know.
Especially this part, the calculation and fire.
And then that's 1.20.
Okay, I'll get to you now.
Tell us a joke.
Right. So this value here.
Oh, look what
You-
put there.
You are confused here.
Mama, white.
See, you're confused about this number here. Right, so what we did is we added all of these. We got to this number, right? Then we take this number and we divide it by 6 to get the average. That is now our average. That's just how I got. And we always use 3 decimal, not 4 decimal. So that's why the 8 pushes the 5 to be a 6. Okay? Happy?
Happy. Happy.
Happy with the picture?
Yeah. It's a video. We can watch it before we come for trade.
You need to pay me now for that appearance fee.
Yeah, I will pay you.
Right, so now this was the easy part. Now we're going to go to the difficult parts.